Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explore the differences between these two devices that always look the same, alternator and generator. Alternators and generators are two key players in the world of electricity, both converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. However, they have distinct operating principles and applications that make them suited for different uses. These devices play essential roles in keeping cities running and providing power in remote areas when it is needed most. By exploring the differences, we can gain a deeper understanding of how they work and why they are essential in our modern world. It is important to note that every alternator is a generator, but not every generator qualifies as an alternator. So, let us take a closer look at what sets alternators and generators apart, exploring the distinct characteristics that make each one special, despite sharing a common purpose as electrical power generators. Stay tuned as we begin. 1. Type of current produced. Alternator, specifically built to generate alternating current AC, where the direction of current flow reverses periodically. This is suitable for most modern electrical systems, especially in vehicles and grid applications. Whereas generator can be designed to produce either AC or direct current DC. DC generators produce a constant flow of electric charge in one direction, which was more common in obsolete systems. 2. Working principle. Alternator, it operates on the concept of electromagnetic induction, where the magnetic field rotates while the armature, which is the conducting coil, remains stationary. This setup reduces wears and tears, and allows higher efficiency, whereas generator typically has the armature rotating within a fixed magnetic field. As the coil spins, it cuts across magnetic lines, inducing a current. This traditional method involves more mechanical complexity and friction. 3. Efficiency. Alternator, due to its modern design and brushless or low-friction construction, it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy more efficiently. It also loses less energy in the form of heat, whereas in generator, efficiency is lower because of mechanical friction from brushes and commutators, and more energy losses during conversion. 4. Output control. Alternator is equipped with automatic voltage regulators. It adjusts output voltage based on the electrical load, or demand. This means it only produces what is needed, reducing energy waste. Whereas generator, the output is usually fixed, and without additional control systems, any changes must be handled manually. 5. Size and weight. Alternator, it is compact and lightweight for the amount of power it produces. This makes it ideal for vehicles and portable systems where space and weight are limited. Whereas generator, it is generally larger and heavier due to the design and components used, especially in obsolete or high-capacity models. 6. Maintenance. Modern alternators are often brushless, which means fewer moving parts and less maintenance over time. When brushes are present, they wear slowly due to minimal friction. Whereas generator uses brushes and commutators that are in constant contact, causing more friction and wear. They require regular maintenance and replacement to maintain performance. 7. Magnetic field configuration. Alternator features a rotating magnetic field and a stationary armature. This arrangement improves durability and allows for more stable output, whereas in generator, the armature rotates within a fixed magnetic field, which is more prone to mechanical wear due to moving parts. 8. Applications. Alternator is widely used in modern cars, trucks, and industrial machinery to charge batteries and power electrical systems. It also used in power stations for large-scale electricity generation, whereas generator, primarily used in emergency backup systems, remote location, and portable power solutions like construction sites or rural homes. 9. Voltage regulation. Alternator has excellent voltage control, maintaining a steady output, even when the electrical load changes. This ensures system stability and prevents equipment damage. Whereas in generator, Voltage fluctuate more with load changes unless advanced regulation systems are added, which are not always present in basic designs. 10. Starting mechanism. Alternator cannot begin producing electricity on its own. It relies on an external energy source like a vehicle battery to initiate its magnetic field. Whereas many types of generators can be self-starting, especially those with residual magnetism in the rotor, making them ideal for independent power generation. 11. Brush use. Alternator, often designed with slip rings instead of commutators, or as brushless systems, which reduces mechanical wear and increases durability. Whereas generator depends on brushes and a commutator, which are subject to continuous wear, requiring more frequent service and replacements. 12. Direction of rotation. Alternator operates efficiently only when rotating in a specific direction, due to its internal wiring and magnetic orientation. Whereas generator, in many cases, especially with DC generators, the machine can be rotated in either direction and still generate electricity, though the polarity may reverse. In conclusion, all the alternators are generators, but not all generators are alternators. The terms alternator and generator are often used interchangeably, although there are subtle differences. An alternator typically refers to a specific type of generator that produces alternating current, AC, and is often used in applications like automotive and power generation. And a generator is a broader term that encompasses a wide range of devices that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, producing either AC or DC output. So, alternators and generators play crucial roles in power generation and distribution, and understanding the differences can help in selecting the right device for specific applications. Here, we bring today's class to an end. If this content is helpful to you, please support the channel by liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.